filles, bonjour, bonjour. Alors, aujourd'hui, on va apprendre la différence entre grâce à et à cause de. Now, grâce à and à cause de, both of them are followed by a noun. But what is the difference? Let's learn the first one, which is grâce à. Grâce à, which in English would mean thanks to. Thanks to. Now, it always has a positive outcome. For example, j'ai appris la langue française grâce à Learn French by Suchita, which would mean what? I learned the French language thanks to Learn French by Suchita. So you see, Learn French by Suchita, that's a noun. So grâce à is always followed by a noun, but the outcome should be positive. Deuxième, à cause de. À cause de. Now in English, that would mean due to, because of. It is also followed by a noun, but it has a negative outcome. Par exemple, je n'ai pas pu aller à l'école à cause de la pluie. Je n'ai pas pu aller à l'école à cause de la pluie. So I could not go to the school due to rains. Now la pluie, that's the noun. But here the outcome is negative, that you could not go to the school. Allez, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.